Well done. Manuel.
Thank you.
Pongezi sana. Yeah? Timothy.
Yes, sir.
Hongera sana. Ferguson. Congratulations, my friend.
Thank you.
Yeah? Congratulations. Well done, well done, well done. Hongera, hongera. Yeah? What a great pleasure it is to have you with us as we are here to celebrate your victory, which is Kenya's victory. And we're here to congratulate you, to say how proud we are of how you performed individually, but also how you performed as a team. No doubt you put in your effort. You, in the athletics field, who topped the whole of the continent, came third in the world, but also your other colleagues who participated in other events, you know, from rugby to netball to handball to boxing, all the events. Each and every one of you made a contribution to put Kenya on the international stage. And we are proud of all of you, but we played clean. And if we win by playing clean and by playing fair, that is not only good for you, but it is also important for our sports globally, that it is not necessary. So I'd rather lose by being clean and fair than win by being unclean and unfair. Si ndio hiyo? Na muendelee to ensure that we keep our sports clean.